to everyone in Year 1. Mrs. Allen here with today's writing challenge on Tuesday. I hope you enjoyed the story yesterday about the 3 little pigs and the wolf. Today's story is another story about the 3 little pigs and the wolf. But today's story is a little bit different. You will find that the wolf is telling the story, and he is telling us how he feels and what he thinks happened. I wonder if you will agree with him. Today's story is called The True Story of the Wolf and the 3 Little Pigs. You will need to know the story, so if you haven't managed to watch the video on the school website, have a go now. Okay, now I'm sure you know what I'm going to ask you to do next. I'm going to ask you, you're right, to think about your favourite part of the story and why you like it. So, with your listening partner or with your adult, it's time to tell your super amazing ideas and your reasons. Off you go. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Okay. I wonder if I managed to guess any of your ideas. Let's find out, shall we? Did you choose the bit when the wolf sneezed and the house fell down? Or maybe you chose the bit when the wolf ran out of sugar? Or perhaps when the pig upset the wolf by talking about his granny? Or maybe when the wolf got really angry and tried to break down the door? Whichever part you chose, I'm sure you had a really good reason. Did you choose it because it was funny, or exciting, or scary, or interesting, or maybe just because it was different from the other story? I look forward to finding out. When you're explaining your reason for the part that you chose, please remember to try to use our because word. That will be super. Now, we've got our ideas and our reasons, and we just need to decide how we're going to present our writing today. We have, as you know, on our school website, some book review sheets that you can use. Or, as I've said before, you could have your own version of recording your work. I'd love to see some of those if you do choose to have your own version. But let's just remind ourselves about what we need to do with these. So we need to know the title of the book and the author. We've got our 5 stars to respond, a space for our sentence or sentences, and a space for a picture. We can choose this format, where again we have a space for the author and title, and we have to think, what is the story about? And who are the characters, and what's our favourite part, and there's a space for a picture too. Or our final challenge has a space for the title and the author, but we need to think about whether the story is fact or fiction. And then we think about someone who we might recommend this story told by the wolf to, and why they might like it. Over here we can write about the bit we like and what the story's about. In the middle we have a space for a picture. We have the 5 stars vote again. And over here we have a space to write 3 things that we found out about one of the characters. Maybe the wolf will be a good character to think about today. So, now you're ready. Just one last reminder. Don't forget capital letters, I can hear you, finger spaces, and full stops. Oh, I just need to show you before I go the author of this story. Now you really are ready. Good luck, and I'll see you tomorrow.